Hello students, welcome to MGC Learn. Today we are going to study chapter 1 of Computer Science 1, that is operating system. And the topic is concept related to information management, that is part 1. So let's begin. So in this chapter we are going to study, there are two modules that is related to information management. The first one is file system, the second one is device driver. So in this video we are going to study only file system. What is a file? The collection of related information, that is data or programs, is called as file. It means when we are collecting any information that is related information and collecting, that is called a file. And the collected information may be data or programs. So a data means it is a information. So a data may be numeric, alphabetic, yeah, alphanumeric. So how the operating system maps the files? So the operating system maps files onto physical devices such as disk or tapes. So when we are creating any file, so we have to give the file name. So how to access a file name? Using the file name. So it is necessary when we are creating a file, it is necessary to give the file name. And when we are referring the file, so we have to give the file name and access. So this is a use of file. Next one, file types. The first one is text file. Text file means it is a sequence of characters and organized into lines. That is called a text file. Source file. It means it consists of subroutines and functions and consists of executable statements. It means it has a subroutines and consisting of the executable statements. That is called a source file. Source file. Last one is object file. It containing the object code, that is meaning of machine code. So machine code, when it is consists of machine code, it means usually not executable file. It is called a object file. So these are the three types of files. Types of file system. There are two types of file system. First one is tab-based system. In early days, we are using tab-based system. It is simple but inefficient. Files are stored onto reels or physical tapes, but most of the files are small. So this is the image of physical tapes. In earlier days, we are using for story purpose. We are using physical tapes. The most of the files are small. So more number of files are stored in one tab. So in this tab-based system, we are facing the disadvantages. The first one is it has a more number of files are stored in one tab. It means we are saving more number of files in one tab. When we are finding a file, so it is time consuming. The second one is modification of a file. When we are modifying any particular file, so it is needed to copy the entire disk. So this is the two disadvantages we are facing in the tab-based system, and it is used for data transfer between one computer to another. Second type is disk-based system. So this is an image of tracks and sector. Tracks, this is an image of track, and this is called a sector. This is called a sector. So a track is made up of this circular. This circular is called a tracks. Further, a track is divided into sector. This is a track. Sector. The sector is start from 0 to 7. So it will be sector 0, 1 to up to 7. So there are gauge sector. So sector means what? Say sector means it is a unit of information, so which can be read or written to the disk. So it is called a sector. See, a number of tracks and the size of sector is variable because a number of track is different and the size of sector is different. A disk has a device directory. This is a disk. It has a device directory. It consists of which files are to use, which file are to be in the disk. Example, when we are creating a book, when that time we are maintaining a index. In this way, in the disk based also, we are using a device directory. With the help of device directory, we can list the file name, static address, and the type of a file, updation of last file. So these are the things done in the with the help of device directory. So the disadvantage in the tag-based system. So in the tag-based system, we are facing two disadvantages. That is modification of a file. So in the disk-based, we can modify any file easily, and we can store a yeah, we can store large information of data in the disk-based system. That is not possible in tag-based system, and it is easy to use. Terms used in magnetic disk. So these are the terms we are using the magnetic disk. So there are four terms we are using: tracks and sectors, seek time, transmission time, latency time, or rotation delay. We are already seeing tracks and sectors. So this is the image of hard disk. This is arm, and this is track. This is called a track, and this is the small part of information that is called a sector. This is called a cylinder, and this is called a spindle. It will be rotating. This is called a read-write head. So there are many read-write head here. Next one is, this is called a flatter. Flatter has two surfaces. That is called a, it has two surfaces. Yeah, to access a particular information, yeah, sector. So we are needed surface, track, and sector. First one, tracks and sector we have already seen. Second one is seek time. Seek time, it means the time required for read write move to the correct track. So this is a read write head that will be moved to the correct track. That is called a seek time. It means read write to find the physical location of a piece of data. So that is called a seek time. Say next one is transmission time. The time required for activate read and write for an appropriate surface. So there are two surfaces here, that is upper surface and lower surface. So transmission time means the time required for activate read and write for the appropriate surface and read data. That time is called a transmission time. The last one is latency time or rotational delay. It means the time required for requested sector and track to rotate below the head. That is called a latency time. It means it is the average time for the sector being accessed to rotate into a position under a read-write head after completing a CTIM. So latency time, it means after completing a CTIM, the average time for the sector being access to rotate in a position under a read-write head. That is called a latency time or rotation time. So these are the terms we are using in the magnetic disk. So in this video, we are seeing first this concept related to information management, that is file system. Thank you.